everyone, it's Dr. Werfel, Dr. Howard Werfel with Total Life Enhancement. I want to thank you so much for tuning into this, and I want to welcome you if it's your first time. If you've been here before, I hope you're getting a lot of value from it. If any of you have any questions or any ideas, comments, anything that you think constructive to help us do better, to help more people, please feel free to direct message me. And so today we're going to talk, it's going to be kind of a brief little technique here. I'm going to talk about a technique, and it's going to be based on the truth that whatever we focus on expands, right? Whatever we put our attention to expands. Remember, we create through what we think, what we speak, and what we do. That's the formula for how we create things in life. It's the formula for how we make things happen. It's first a thought, then a word, then an action. What we think, speak, and do. We talked on one of the previous videos about be careful about the words that are coming out of your mouth, because life and death is in the power of the tongue. And basically, we want to keep you all conscious and cognizant of that. Your thoughts, your words, and your deeds are how you're creating things in your life. And behind your thoughts are also beliefs, right? And a subconscious mind. So there's your conscious thoughts, but there's far more subconscious thoughts than there are conscious thoughts. We'll talk about that at another time, because there's a lot of techniques we can do to help reprogram your subconscious mind. And that has a lot more of the creative authority in your life than your conscious mind does, actually. But you can consciously dictate to your subconscious mind. And there's a lot of techniques for that we're going to be incorporating as we go forward. For now, I'm going to talk about a really simple thing, and it's going to be that what you focus on expands. And are you focusing on your problems, or are you focusing on solutions? So here's a little brief technique for that. And what I want to tell you to do is you take a piece of paper, and I'll see if we can include this PDF with this, but you take a piece of paper and you write down on the problems on the left side, and then on the right side you write down solutions. And then you can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or so forth. And write down whatever the problem is that you're facing in your life right now. If it's something to do with your physical health, or something to do with your finances, something to do with one of your relationships, something to do with your business or profession, or something to do with your spirituality or your mental health, whatever the case is, you write down what the problems are, and then on the other side of the page, you write down what the solution, or what you believe is. Now, by the way, nobody says you have to be perfect. You might say, I don't know what the solution is. That's okay. Just do your best. Write down what you believe is your best solution right now. If you can't think of anything, you might think of someone you want to go talk to, and you can write down as a solution, go talk to my friend so-and-so about a solution to this issue. Maybe that's your solution right now. You don't have to have all the answers. Remember, you're tapped into an infinite intelligence, and you have people and resources in your life. There's resources online. There's just a ton of things that you can do. But for now, write down your problems or challenges on one side of the page, then go down the other side, write down your best idea for a solution to that right now. And then, after you've done your best on this, and you could do it for 1 or 2 different problems, 3, 4, as many as you want. When you've done your best on this, then what we want you to do is to rip that page in half, and you can take the problems part and throw it out, burn it, shred it, get rid of it, and then just focus on the solutions. So you got your solutions there. This is your marching orders. You're going to do the best you can to focus on solutions, and you're also showing the universe, you're showing yourself that you're just focused on solutions. You're not focused, because if you just focus on your problems, you're going to attract more problems. Remember, we said what you fear, you draw near. That's part of the law of attraction and the law of allowing. So we want you focused on solutions, which means I'm focused on moving forward. I'm focusing on my vision. I'm focusing on creating more of what I want in my life, not less of what I want in my life. So don't focus on the problems. Look at the problems only long enough so that you can write down the solutions, tear that page in half, throw away the problems, and just focus on your solutions. So that's basically what I wanted to talk to you about today, is that little technique of getting out of being problem-oriented and into being solution-oriented. I hope this helps you. I know if you do it, it will help you. And if you have any questions, if you need any clarification, if you want to talk to me, feel free to direct message me, and we'll do the best we can to help you out more with that. Have a great day, and I look forward to helping you more in the future.